Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fashion World with GP, and in today's video I'm going to create this very pretty hello eye makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, first let's start with this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It gives your skin super hydration. It is non-sticky and so nice. After the moisturizer, now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation. The shade is Natural Buff 07. Now after the foundation, I'm taking this Inside Pro Concealer palette, taking this light yellow shade from this palette. Now next step is to set this whole look by applying this matte compact powder, this Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact Powder. So the base is done. Now let's move towards the eyebrows. For eyebrows, I am taking the Dazzler Black Eyebrow Pencil. Eyebrow is also done. The base is also done. And now let's do the eye makeup. So for eye makeup, I am taking this Nykaa eyeshadow palette. And from this palette I am taking this brown shade. I'm applying this brown shade in my crease. Basically today we are going to create hello eye makeup. That's why I am giving this brown shade this shape. By taking a blending brush, I will blend this shade. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and this Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette. So I will take this green shade from Makeup Revolution palette and then this green shade here, this green shade from Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette. Basically I am mixing these two shades. Same I am doing with my left eye. In this area you can see I have not applied any eyeshadow. I have left it empty because today we are doing a hello eyeshadow look. Now come to the main part, and which is applying lighter or shimmery shade in this area. So I'm using this white eyeliner. I know this is an eyeliner, but I'm using it as eyeshadow in here because this is so nice. Okay, the color of the eyeliner is so nice and bright, that's why I have taken this instead of using glitter, because for some day I'm not going to use glitter. Double Trouble mascara. So guys, this is my final look. So guys, that's all for today, and if you like my today's video and this hello eye makeup look, so please do like, share and support to my channel Fashion World with GP, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.